Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build content marketing strategies with HubSpot. To begin building a content marketing strategy with HubSpot, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the marketing dashboard on the top menu. Select the content option from the drop-down menu. Click on blog to start planning your blog content. Use the create blog post button to draft a new article. Choose a catchy title that resonates with your target audience. Write your content in the main text area, incorporating relevant keywords. Utilize HubSpot's SEO recommendations to optimize your post. Add images, videos, or links to enhance engagement. Next, go to the call to action section to encourage reader interaction. Create a clear and compelling call to action that drives conversions. Once your blog post is ready, click Publish to share it with your audience. To analyze your content performance, head to the Analytics section. Review metrics such as traffic, engagement, and conversion rates. Use the insights gathered to refine your content marketing strategies. Finally, create a content calendar to organize future posts. This will help ensure consistency and keep your audience engaged. By following these steps, you can effectively build a robust content marketing strategy using HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.